Hello, how are we doing? Doing some config here. Yeah, I think we're good. You hear me well? I hope you do. Alright, the plan is simple for tonight. We're just connecting the game. Well, we're doing only that. Unless you guys use the channel points for us to actually use to play a game. Hey, Alexi. Hey, buddy, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Welcome to the chat. Tell us where you're from, what you do. Here we sometimes write code. We talk a lot about code and projects that I build for myself and the community, and then we use them. On Mondays, we play the game that I'm going to modify right now. Do you stream? Do you code? Do you build in public? Tell us. One second here. Just checking a few things. We're getting started soon. We're all good here. I think I can close this and this. We can keep that one. Just doing things off screen, right? But yeah, generally we have a free points plan. Okay, but today we'll just have that. Unless you use the channel points and you want to request a quick trivia game, which will be the game that we actually are going to modify again. So there's that. And then you have other channel points that you can use later. I'm from Texas. I used to stream, but now I do work, take care of my mom, and besides that, I do graphic design. Okay, cool. Maybe we can collab or something. Whoa! Thank you, Strands. Subscribe at tier 1. Wait, has it been a month already? No way. Really, Strands? It's been a month? How does that work? Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I appreciate the support. Month already. Alexi, it's been a month since I became affiliate, and Mr. Strands, one of the superstars on stream, just pre-subscribed, so that's great. Strengths, Alexi used to stream and now he or she, I don't know, does graphic design with regards to IT. So Alexi, let me know if you're up for it, if you want to suggest ideas about how to improve the visuals on the channel, you're most welcome. Here's the Discord. And it'd be good to have someone who's from the design world to share some thoughts in the Discord. Strands himself did some graphic design work in the past. And well, yeah, I guess you guys can talk the same language and you can teach me some. Yeah. So you do really graphics design, so really visuals, right? Not UI and UX design. Question mostly for Alexi. Okay, let me see if I can move to this one. Do this. Put you guys there. Okay, yeah, that'd be great. Let's open this one. I will just close that. This is my email. But yeah, I'll be glad. So yeah, anytime you want to join the Discord to share, or you can share on the channel, any constructive feedback is gladly appreciated. I've been streaming for over a year, but not consistently. And I'm in the phase where I'm trying to structure things, have a visual identity, although it's been a struggle for me even before Twitch, so I'll go at my own pace, but you know, trying to structure things slowly here. Yeah. Strands, I think nowadays graphic design will get you to be jack of all trades. I did photography and filmmaking as well. Yeah. Strands, we should call you Jack. Testing. Okay, we're back. I do all the stuffs like logos, banners, emotes, badges, overlays, and intro, outro. And I also do 2D. Wow, okay. You do all the Twitch things plus 2D, 3D. Yeah, that's interesting. And are you planning to resume streaming someday? Because talking about getting into streaming, Strands, do you want to tell them? Or not today or not now? Maybe Strands is still shy at the moment. Maybe not immediately. All right. Yeah, that's fine. That's fair. Perhaps too fresh. Yeah, totally get that. All right. So again, today or tonight, we're connecting Twitch to the game. Or well, we're connecting the game to Twitch. That makes more sense. Yeah. So I'm not going to read through all of that. You know, we just wing it. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna scan through it. And I think there's a table down below. I have no idea what OIDC means. OIDC. That's it, okay. Implicit code flow. I don't think so, so I haven't decided yet. Okay. All right, yeah. Anytime you resume streaming, well, if the timing is right, we'll raid you or something like this, you know? I'd love to see the content from a graphics designer. I'm sure you would get a lot of work since streaming is quite big now. Not only tech streaming, but you know, gaming and all of that. This flow is meant for apps that don't use a server, such as a client-side JavaScript mobile app. Okay. That would be the easier route, I guess. But let's see how it works. So the user access token. Okay, navigate. Okay. No. Ideally, we would want to stay on the same page, maybe. But I'm not sure whether that's possible. If the user is logged in, Twitch asks them to authorize the app to access the specific resources. If they're not logged in, Twitch first asks them to log in. Makes sense. Yeah. Authorization would grant flow. Request claims. I have, but my previous client told me that there were so many bots and scammers nowadays, so be careful. All right. Yep, that makes sense. Include non-default claims, including claims the gray. Okay. Validating an ID. Okay. 2 flows. You already signed in. So okay. Force consent. Twitch wants you to force consent. What do we do with that? I'm not sure. Okay, this was the OIDC. Okay. How about OAuth? Implicit code word. When we have client credentials. By the way, have you considered upgrading your stream? What do you mean by upgrading? Oh, so implicit. Oh, okay. So both of them would point to. Use this flow if your app does not use a server. Okay. App is client-side JavaScript, app or mobile. Use, okay. If your app uses a server, you can securely store client secret and make server-to-server request to the Twitch API. Okay. No, I guess I need the user access token. I don't need the app access token. Well, maybe I need it for later, but for now, I want the user access token to be available. I want to be able to identify that specific user. And then I'll create an ID in the database, maybe like a string itself, or I'll hash it. I'll see how I'll do. Oh, I can't just use the username because people can change their username, I guess. But maybe that's over optimization at this point. Let's make a proof of concept first, you know. We new stuff like a logo, a banner, a little bit of an investment in your channel. Also, it helps you get more viewers. Yes, we can carry on that conversation offline, Alexi. I'm thinking about it, but it's not for this month, at least. And also, I will need to think about the identity first. And it's only then that I'll go forward with it, not at the moment. But yeah, thank you for the questions and the suggestions. Oh yeah, and I'm planning to have a show on Mondays, so I need to think around that. And once I have everything settled with the concept and everything, then maybe I can start focusing on that part. But yeah, not right now. Yeah. So again, join the Discord. You can find me there and we can talk there. It's mostly coding related, but if we have enough people interested in design, I would probably create a channel there. Which tools do you use, by the way, Alexi? There are tools that the community use themselves or they're trying to learn. It'd be great to have you contribute there. Okay, so let me note that part down. We can add this here. Okay, so what we need, let's say, identify the player. Here, right there, which ID could be username, some ID. I don't know it yet. For V1, we will use that as player name, right? So use Twitch, let's say Twitch ID, well, Twitch username as player name, right? How can I structure this? Yeah, V1. Use Twitch username as player name. That's it. To compile the score, query the games, create the games. Yeah. Find the player, something like this. Yes. So, scan. Well, this is very loose. That night's score. Yeah. That works. That works. So we'll have a query on the back end, just sends that on to the front end. It will just construct it just as a view, let's say. That's something we can do. I use paint tools, magic tools, and many more. Okay, I just know about Microsoft Paint, and I doubt that would be this one. But all right, cool. We have many people in design on the channel. I don't know. I think now we have two. But it would be great to ask. I haven't created a channel yet, nor any interest there. And it's been months since I've done some UI slash UX design, quote, with big air quotes there. I'm trying more like it, right? So yeah, at some point when the workflow slows down, I can revamp the visuals of the games, have a proper design there, and then re-implement these. But okay. So I need the username and that's it. And what we have to use that as use a player name. So I can do everything front end and we'll see how that goes. Apps registered client ID. So I guess I can need to create that. You must set, you can require it. So client ID, redirect UI, response type, and scope. Oh, I give the name of the channel. Right. So I'm not sure I want to handle that, all of that manually. Wait, you have Twitch guests for later? I don't have any guests planned, but if ALS hops on, yeah, we could talk like 15-20 minutes, you know. We can start the conversation and then see where it goes, you know. But yeah, so I know I want something front end now. Full front end approach. PMI, Node.js maybe. Wait. Client. Let me register that. Log into the developer console. Okay. Sign in. Yeah, that makes sense. Set the name. Okay. I think I get the idea. Okay, I'm already logged in. Extension? No, application. Register your application. Game night. Localhost. Yeah, this page. Definitely this page. Let me close the rest. Yeah, this is a demo, but with Node and passport and everything. I guess I'll just dismiss that one. So add this and add. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Localhost 9000. Okay. Add. What? Wait. No, I think now we're good. I guess application integration more than application integration instead of game, and it's a more than a website, it's the web app. Okay, because I saw someone on the voice chat. Really? Good to know. By the way, I recently made a new account on Discord because I was not able to log in. I have all my shoutouts on my X ID. Okay, all right, and I also upload some stuff there. Feel free to check it. All right. Okay, thanks. We'll do that. Oh wait, Alexi, was that you on the voice channel on Discord? Yeah, maybe I saw someone just joining the Discord, so might be it. But yeah, we don't have anyone planned. Okay. Let's create that. Should be good. Oops. Okay, so that would be off screen. Manage. Just join the server. All right. So I have the client ID. Well, I guess it will be visible on screen. I don't know. Is there a way for me to hide that? Let's open VS Code. Oops. Client IDs are considered public and can be embedded in a web page source. Okay, yeah, so I guess you can see it. Depending on the flow, use get token, for example, authorize code, grant flow, etc. Click new secret to generate a new secret, and you'll okay, you must copy the secret and store it somewhere safe. No, but I don't need a do I need a secret? Oh yeah, for now I don't need a secret. So I guess I'm done. Yeah, they have the here. It's here where I got the Node.js example. So I guess I'm good with that part. Okay, so I have the code down there. All right. Well, I might not want to open that here. And game night, paste it here. Oh, not API, not there. And game night client. Next, public. With client ID. Like this. So that's copied. Okay, we're good. And I'll move you guys down now. Okay, wait. Need to put that back here. I have the music as well there. Okay, that one goes here. I can zoom a bit. Okay. All right. So I have the app registered. Now I need an example. EMI.js. Slash. Okay, and me action. Hey, we have a new follower. Who is that? Wait, I didn't see it. Wait, follower goals for. Oh, thank you, Alexi, for the follow. Yeah, I thought you've already followed, so I didn't check the timestamp on your follow. But yeah, thank you. We have completed the goal. That's great. We are at 70 followers now. That's dope. Thank you. Well, these things happen. Sometimes I forget to follow like a new streamer I'm watching, and before I leave, I remember, oh, I might want to come again. So then I follow. That happens. Don't worry. Yeah, so TMI.js, it works on the front end, so I know that much. So that would be the bot I would need. No, it's not that. I'm not sure now if that's the thing I need. Using authorization allows the bot to send messages. No, so it's not what I need. Oh yeah, I think this is just for the chat. Yep. So that's not what I need. Reach O npm. Oh, that's too old. Okay, npm. Oh no, not formidable. Twitch. On npm. Yes, please follow there's an onboarding flow. So if you just follow that, should be good. So there's a specific channel for that. This package has been removed. Okay. I just want you to search. Twitch API TypeScript. Thanks for using the channel points, Strands. I don't know what that refers to. Strands. The Nani animation. I know it's a meme, but I don't know what it refers to. No, this. I don't know culturally what it refers to. Okay, Twitch API TypeScript, whatever. Sort by maintenance. Those don't even make sense. Twitch fetch include no. Dream no. Modern wrapper for. quality, yeah. I've heard that Twix Helix. It's like, yeah, strengths, really, like, obviously, I would have guessed that. Nice try, but it doesn't help. That looks more like it. It's from anime, yeah. Can Monsieur Vivant. Okay, yeah, I know the name, but I haven't watched it, so yeah, maybe I should watch it. Well, again, this is not what I need. Maybe this one. No Twitch. Helix. It's written in TypeScript. Okay. Your client ID. Right. What does it do next? Yeah, that's close. But I don't know if I can trust that package. I mean, I've watched old stuff, you know. I've seen Evangelion. So that's really good actually. It's not like just about monsters, mechas, but there's also like the human interactions there. It's quite deep, so it was interesting. I've watched Black Lagoon as well. That one was nice as well. It was good. Oh, I can get a user ID that I can use in the database. Probably cool anime you can watch JoJo. Let me see. JoJo anime. Bizarre Adventure, okay. Okay, maybe. I guess that's not on Netflix at the moment. I only watch things on Netflix mostly, you know. Yeah, so I think I'll use that one. I'll install it and audit it, and if it's fine, I can use it. It's on and off Netflix. Okay, yeah. I guess it's expensive. Or they want they're trying to, like, you know, they put it on, they announce it, use it for like a few weeks and then remove it. I don't know. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to use that one. So new git create branch. Well, okay, yeah. Game night. Yeah, I should change that name. Really. Wait, I'll be back. My mom just gave me some stuff to complete. Yeah, no worries. I'll still be coding. So we'll be there for at least another hour. And yeah, good luck with that. So beat Twitch. connection. Oh, cool. All parts. Okay, I can start tonight probably. I'm rewatching Pacific Rim Into the Black. I think that's the name. Into the Black or just The Black. Wait, let me show you. Pacific Rim Into the Black. It's quite good. I like it. It's not just like, again, monsters. There's also the human approach, human aspect and all. It's very nice. Season 3. I don't think there will be. Okay. Thankfully, it's not like the movie. Yeah, I think I like it much better than the movie, to be honest. It's much better. Alright, so I have my branch. Okay, no, that one I would need my Tmux. Terminal. Tmux. And Tmux resume. And let's start all of them. Yeah, Strands, I promise it's better than the movie. The movie is like so super American cliche. And actually, this one, Pacific Rim Into the Black, it takes place in Australia. Not that it's saying that it's going to be better because it's in Australia, but it's a bit different. And it's mostly about around young adults slash teenagers, not adults. So yeah. And of course, there are surprises in there. So that one is up now. Okay. Let me think. I would just do this. Create the Twitch client on that page. Yes. Maybe in a composable. Yeah. So I create that outside the composable. I'm just thinking aloud. So I create the Twitch instance outside of the composable so that it's not recreated all of the time. And then I consume it inside of the composable. All right, I'll be back in about a minute. Strands, you're in charge. And I'm back. I think something is broken on Stream Elements. If you check, well, down here, it says 5 out of 5. But it's Trans who resubscribed. So I don't know if I should refresh that. So Turing, sorry for the flash. I should call it. So you see, that's one thing I dislike about Stream Elements is that sometimes it just doesn't work properly. Why is that 5? Where did you get that 5 from? And it's not even, there's no place for us to format it. It's not the right one. Anyways. I guess it's time to build the app or just change services. But yeah, pop that back. That one too. Close this. Back. So your subgoal is broken. Stream Elements is broken, but on Twitch it's fine. Just resubscribed. By the way, did you do it manually? Because it was like synced with your first message for today on the chat. So I'm a bit surprised. That was, yeah. Okay, so composables. Let me think. Get Twitch client. Twitch client. Okay. Yep. So I don't create it outside like this. That's not installed, bro. What type? Oh, I need the client secret now. Oh. So I don't have my app. Where's my app? I guess I close these now. Developer console. Should be good. Oh, we need to charge that thing. There. Okay, developer console. Oh, I have one already. Oh, I forgot about that one. It was not long ago. Okay. Well, I'll just use that one. Well, you've seen the ID, but not the secret, which is fine. I'll move that down, move you guys up for a sec. And you forgot already. Yes, I forgot already. I guess I was a tiny bit tired when I used that. Wait, did I install the right thing? I think I did. Package client. Maybe I didn't install it in the right thing. The Game Night client. No Twitch. No, it's not installed yet. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. There. Oh, but oh no. Ah. No, that's not smart. That would be a backend thing. Because it requires the secret. So silly. It's not what I want. Yeah, I want something for the front end. But is there anything supported for that? I'm thinking maybe it would be good now. I'm not sure anymore. Taking it step by step, as you can see here. Because I saw it very focused on getting the channel's data, but maybe see, I don't see anything related to. It's using the bot token, so maybe it's not that I need. Let me mute that one. See, TMI is mostly about the chat, yeah, so it's not TMI. So let's just Google Twitch and helper. Extensions. Beyond Purple, that's a bit old. Or Twitch extensions. Does that work? Twitch mode content. Twitch move. Okay. I don't know. Not local. I guess we'll just build it. Twitch API supports front-end extensions is available through Extension Helper. Jailability token is provided to the authorization context, which can be used to authorize calls to Twitch API endpoints in place of app and user access token. What? This Helix JWT is unique to each extension. Each extension viewer and is managed by Twitch with no action required from the developer. Extension frontends can get access to tokens, including this one, specifically for Twitch API request with unauthorized. But it doesn't tell me what is an extension. So let's go here. Is a web page that sits inside Twitch and communicates with Twitch to provide extra functionality. So, for example, the Hearthstone deck tracker extension adds an interactive overlay allowing viewers to browse through the cards the streamer is using. Okay. So I don't need that. I would need authentication. Authentication or authorization? Both, I guess. Do I need to check the Twitch API? Back to square one. I guess we need this. I guess we'll build it. Just the client ID, redirect URL. Okay, let's build it manually. Okay, so zoom in like this. This documentation is there just in case. So that's going to be the path. Something doesn't feel right in that file. I don't know why. Maybe it's just been too long. Come on. Const base URL post this. Okay. What am I doing? I'm trying to get the user access token. Well, not just the token. I'm trying to get what I'm interested in is the response, so that I can get the user ID, username confirmed. Right. So my app would have access to the username. So you have to log in through Twitch, authenticate through Twitch. Then in the response, I get the username and or the user ID. I apply the username to create your local player in the game night. Later on, we will build some structure so that this type of profile is very persistent on the platform, and we can track your scores over the weeks. No. That's not that one, not this app. What we're doing here is for you to use your Twitch profile on the game night. So each week you play, we can see your, yeah, that's completely different. Yep. Yeah. So let me remember. Const config equals runtime config. Okay. Const client secret config dot oops dot public dot nope. It's not there. Why? But then wouldn't Supabase auth make your life easier? Yes, but it's overkill now. That's the thing. It would be a separate database. So I was thinking of that, but I'm not there yet. It would be me jumping into Supabase and yeah. But I mean, if I'm not able to do it here, then maybe I'll consider Supabase again. Also, I was considering Supabase for something else. I don't have it in mind exactly now. But then Supabase is all... Again, you have to do everything on the front end all the time. And you don't have control over it. I think it was for a future app. But yeah. But I'm thinking of ditching Mongo for my future apps. Even when I don't use Supabase, I would use a relational database now. Or maybe a Redis for the current process and then store the final results in a relational database. I don't know. Seems like you're doing a manual implementation of OAuth. Yes, pretty much, unfortunately. And public. Twitch, no, maybe I need to reload again. I'm just trying to figure out why it's not picking up the new Twitch variable I've added. Yeah, it's not the best time of the day for me to do these things, but let's try. Oh, it's not client secret, by the way. It's client ID. Config public. Come on. Not cool. Well, I guess since this would be the front end, it shouldn't be a problem for me to show it on screen. Yeah, it's nothing hidden here. But what I don't understand is that why is it not picking up that part? Do I need to restart? Oh, maybe that will help. Surely it will. Nope, still no. Twitch client ID, something like this. Yeah. Ah. No. I'll just hard code it for now. Bear with me. Base URL. No. Base URL here. Question. And then client ID. Oops. Client ID. And should be here. UI. But now it's hard coded. Localhost. Oh no, I have that. Config.public. No, I don't have it. App.base URL. Slash layer. Just saying Supabase would have been just a few lines of code. Yes, I know, but it's a whole Supabase instance, and I already have like a Mongo plus Supabase. Actually, I'm thinking of whether I should remove Mongo completely, whether I could do that for the game night, but it doesn't seem realistic. Yeah, even for the game night, I would want to go through Supabase, but I don't have access to any backend, so Mongos to the bongos. Yeah. The thing is, I would need not Supabase, but Planet Scale or something like this, an equivalent to Mongo. Because if I go through Supabase, I lose all my backend pretty much, in a sense. I could still keep it, change it to... I mean... How can I... Supabase, I think what I understand is it's just working on the front end. It won't work on the back end. If I have a custom app like a Node.js app, I cannot use it there pretty much. Right? Well, I can, I don't know. And it won't do any... If I want to use Supabase, it would be for Oath, and Oath would be just on... Yeah, maybe I get confused with everything else, but okay. Do I need to open Excalidraw at the moment? I don't know. But let's say I do. Okay. Say we have my Supabase here. Supabase instance, right? Then I do my Oath here, like this. That Oath would be for this Supabase instance. I think I'm confusing it with Oath. And now I want to, well, I have my Node app here. Yeah, it's this bot that wouldn't work anyways. Not that I have it at the moment, but I want to do Oath requests to Supabase. Oath requests. Hey, 007, how's it going? The Supabase package is platform platform agnostic. All right, yeah, okay. Yeah, so my question is, yeah, I've got that. I can do normal requests. So we're talking Supabase. Well, we're taking a detour through Supabase. Someone is trying to convince me to forget about manually creating the auth and going through Supabase. If we can do that in less than 30 minutes strength, then maybe I can try. You know what? Maybe we'll try. But yeah, answer me this. Yeah, essentially, yeah. While my brain is slowly shutting off for today, I'm still trying things. So yeah, of as user X or John, let's say. Can I do that from my Node.js app strengths? And how would I do it easily? Strengths easy is not his stuff. Well, 7, I want to do easy things, but my ideas are a bit on the other side of the spectrum, maybe. Even self-chat, like, I wanted it to be easy, but I wanted also to have it fully local and work with IndexedDB, so I created a big thing for a small app. Yeah, it's callable with endpoints. But I don't know how to pass the auth state. There's nothing in the documentation I've seen where I authenticate on the front end, and then I want the Node app to make requests to Supabase on my behalf, right? Because there would be row level security as well. So an Node.js app that doesn't have my auth wouldn't be able to do anything. Use edge functions. It sends the token automatically. So edge functions in the context of Supabase. So you're telling me here I would use no, here. The edge function, right? I call this, and this does the call there. I still need the backend to do it. I still need my Node app to do it. Client edge function Node app Supabase. How? So, oh, the edge function would call my Node.js app. Is that right? So, exactly off. This is slightly less easy, less straightforward. I mean, I get it now. I get the mental model. How safe is that, by the way? So, my front end calls the edge function. The edge function calls my Node app. So my Node app has to accept something precise, or is it all in the headers and it's all handled? So it's basically Supabase client front end to edge function to Supabase client on the Node app, right? Let's delete all of that. We do the same thing on frontend.mu, by the way. Oh, with the directors. So front end content. Super client here. Like this. Yeah, directors has webhooks that can call an edge function that do stuff on the database whenever they create a new event. All right. So I have my front end here, which is way too big. Let's fix that. Else it will bother my brain a lot. So I have my front end here. I have my node app here. So this is a group. This is a group. I have my super instance. Okay. How can I shape that then? Super edge function like this. So it would go from here to here to here, and there. Professor Strands. That sounds nice, Professor Strands. You could be in the Marvel or something, Professor Strands. We should change your nickname, Professor Strands. Wait, did I get a Discord message? No, not a direct message. Professor, you want people with actual PhDs to come out? Well, no. If you have a PhD, you're a doctor. You're not a professor. I forgot what it takes to become a professor. So that would be the whole route. No, I was thinking about, well, having the super instance to have to record all of the state, the scores, and do the tracking there. But I don't know. No, I think you need more. I think you need a PhD, and then you need to be teaching at a university while holding a PhD in that field. And then I think you're a professor. You want me to jump on a call and help you explain those thoughts? What about the professor? If it's super base, it's fine. It's fine. I'll just git check out like this. Why is it still like this? Or maybe git reset. Odd. Yeah, just delete that. Clear. Okay. Bye bye. Supabase. Start from scratch. Dashboard. New project. Ignite. What would be the closest? Not geographically necessarily, but in terms of cable length, let's say. Southeast Asia. Singapore? Yeah. I think for you today, well, yeah, let's not talk about it. But yeah. Let's say in my case, for example, when I configure Twitch, it does the automatic config. It does send me to Southeast Asia most of the time. But yeah, I'm gonna generate password there. I'm gonna copy it, create new project. Better ping, I think, yeah. But for Valorant, sometimes I get better pings from Tokyo. That's strange. Okay. So I remember this. Now let me just... Yeah, but... So it switches between Tokyo and Bahrain. Bahrain most of the time has a lower ping, but sometimes I don't know why it's Tokyo. No idea. Okay, VS Code. Composable. Common. Use oath. Well, let's use that one. Let's just copy it. Modify what we need. Composable. Okay. Well, you can see I need to make some changes. Well, you know, Tokyo is far, yes, but... Yeah, I know, I know. So it would be that one. Now I move that out so that people don't shout at me. So runtime config dot config dot super base URL string and next public super base URL Wait, so there's an existing implementation of Supabase in the game night? No, it's not in the game night. It's in BizQuiz. I just copied the code over and I'm creating one for the game night. Yeah. So that's the anon key, right? Okay. Oh no. I need. What? What is that section? Okay, I don't need that yet. Nope, not needed. Not wanted here. Route name would be just. I guess just index for now. We'll have to check these. Yeah, it was installed. 0 vulnerabilities. I'm gonna trust you there. So I do just use oath and I get a bunch of stuff back. Oh, come on. Yeah. So init. Yeah, I have to init it first. Okay. So player. Index. Yeah. That's already big, right? Oh no, well, 100 lines. We can manage. I don't like it, but we can manage. Yeah, this shouldn't be here. Should be all in a tag. Okay. Mounted. Const. Init. Use oath. Like this. Sync. Wait. Init. Something like this. Okay. We still need to do that there. I'm gonna try something I don't do these days in Vue.js. I'm going to pass a function as a prop. Login function. Login. I think it's login. No, it's login. Okay. Why not here? Why? Well, still a small channel, so they won't be watching too closely. I hope. optional. Well, for now, let's not make it optional. And it's a function. Meanwhile, Evan U is waiting to take down Yodo. Evan, if you're watching, hi. I don't know if people do that. It's more of a React thing. I say the odd word. Yeah, it's more of a React thing, more of a React pattern, but I think that works. So I just want to try that out. I don't want to give responsibility here for the auth and everything. So now in that form, it's going to be ugly, but don't worry. Class flex. Git base button. Variant default or secondary. And I have switch. Something like this. Play, come on. Props dot login function. That case because it tastes better. And props like this. For that. Props. Is that a prop? Nope. That's not a prop either. Good. Let's mark it as type button. We're in a form, so we want to make sure it's not going to trigger the form. Well. Ooh, that's zoomed in. School-based URL is required. That makes sense. Time config public. I see a typo. Super base URL. Oh, right. Well, that's one thing, but it's not in the end. Well, let's see what I'm missing. And it's not in there still. That's the weird part. Maybe I should restart it. Yeah, it's still not there. So that's going to be annoying to fix. I don't know where the problem is. Yeah, it's probably a Nuxt thing that I'm not doing right. So it would be in public. So it's Nuxt public. Let's see. It has API endpoint. API endpoint. Yeah. So that one works. Or is it just not picking up the new stuff? Yeah, it's not picking up the new stuff. But why? Let me just... Yeah, optional for now, sorry. I know I'm in the right file. To force it to rebuild the dev build? Nope. No way to force it per se, but we can... Can I delete the next thing? I want to try. See that and the output as well. Oh, Grado, it's been a while since we should deleted that anyways. So I still don't know if it's a bug or if it's me doing something wrong. No, no luck. Where's the log tail thing? Find log tail. So this one doesn't have any log tail. So how? So we're here. Yeah, we're here. That's super strange. So maybe there's a button. I'm not, maybe it's too long. Doesn't look like it. That's why I don't like those. Ah, come on. Okay. You're gonna laugh. And well, it's healthy to laugh. It's not that automatic. We need to specify it here. That's why. Superbase key, superbase URL. Base.
Emotional damage.
Yeah. Something like that. It's only been a few days since I've used Nuxt, I think. But it's already way too long, I guess. Oh, and I can close this. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. That one was long. Okay. What? Ah, okay. Unsupported provider. I'm just so lazy, okay? What? No, we didn't get the latest code. It's not possible. Refresh. There you are. Ah, come on. How? Okay, okay. So no provider here. Wants provider. Which now we're good. Simple. Proof of concept. Hot code. Provider is not enabled. Yeah, that's fine. Forgot where to do that. Where would that be? Left sidebar. Okay. Thanks. Providers. What? Why is that here? Okay. Off screen. It's not that one. Where is it? Okay. It's here. So I give it the client ID, which you know of. And now new secret. Okay. So let me check that link. Yeah, it's just my okay. Save. So I will have this link, right? Don't know if I'll need it yet. The joys of Chrome Password Manager. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, now it's enabled. Where's my app again? It's not there, not there. Oh, it was on that thing. Okay. Leave Twitch. Twitch has no control. Yeah, yeah, fine. Oh, but you shouldn't send me back to there. Come on. So I won't be able to test it or what? But how to configure that redirect? For now, hard code the path. You'll add it in the configurator. So where do I do that? Config. Well, not the config. Where do I redirect? Here or Supabase? Ah, yeah. I think I closed it. URL configuration. Site. No, that's not it. Where's my... come on. It's just here. Add. No, add. Sounds about right. Oh yeah. How could it then I do the trick? Oh, wildcards are allowed. So maybe I need to do HTTP. No. Let's forget about that for now. No, it's still going back there. Do I have one for that? Like one gek. Okay, one blurb. No, I don't have it. What the hell? I don't have it. But yeah. Going back where? Sadly, you should. Yeah, pretty much. So I have this. I wanted to go back here once authenticated, but it's not at the moment. Should I just remove that? So I just keep it like this for now. Refresh. Wait, do I have anything? No, that's for this thing, I guess. Join via Twitch. See, it goes back there. I don't know why. So can you guide me for the wildcard thing? I completely forgot where to do it. That's not. Slash. Do I just... Is it like this? That's not the same thing. Is it? So the Twitch screen is redirecting you to what you have. Oh, yeah. Maybe in the Twitch app, I need to configure this. Oh, I have, yeah. Okay, let me reload that so that it hides the secret. Yep. Secret hidden, okay. So here I have this first. So maybe I should remove this. Why won't you save? Oh, because that one is not added. What? This doesn't make sense. What UI is that? Oh, wait. Remove. Ah. Very intuitive Twitch. Yeah. Voila. We're good. Yeah, but the captcha is like 500 pixels away from the save button. Totally makes sense, right? What? It's when? Someone? Anyone? Why? Yeah, Twitch is Amazon anyways, yeah. Still. Okay. Let's move on. What's the callback or whatever now? He's logged in. Get username. Oops. This. Took way less time to that than implementation. Yeah, I know, but my time on the implementation is a skill issue, to be honest. But now, since I'm using Supabase, I'll handle all of the scores there. It sounds about fair, else it's really overkill. Okay. Once username. No, set poly tired, wants to get things done, does that. But yeah, I'm gonna use the edge function thing probably. It sounds interesting. Then at some point to make the game, well, at least the platform, then the game's fast, I will use a Redis DB so that during the game it's all sent to Redis and it's all like JavaScript objects being modified and updated on Redis. Once done, then I persist the final state. So everything is generated through Mongo or Supabase, we'll see. We have IDs, database IDs and all of that. Then we do the manipulation of the state in Redis. Well, not in Redis, we do it on the server, update that on Redis, and then what the save, the moment will go through Mongoose or Supabase, whatever, to persist again in a long-term database is when the game is done, if that makes sense. Watch. Update value. Logged. Is logged. Yeah, super lazy tonight. Don't do that at home. What? I'm a professional JS stuntman. The name. Username. Okay, like this. Yeah. Okay. We're all terrible there. That's the lesson. User name. String. Do I have? Okay. If not username. Well, actually, that one should be on there. If else. How about that? So we'll try again. Oh, error, mismatch. Okay, very nice. Redirect mismatch. Error description, parameter redirect URI does not match registered URI. Yeah, you can see it here. So I don't know. Let's see. It's 2 wildcards. Oh, okay. Let's try this one. And then I'll do the wildcard one. But this one I can remove, right? Because I can't modify them. Okay. Yeah, mismatch. So I have this and then maybe I need to modify that there too. This, or I need to use the... Oops, I think I leaked something there. Oh, I need to use that. Tweak the site URL. What do you mean site URL? Twitch, I'm still not a robot. Yay, mismatch again. Oh, that. Yeah. Thank you. Ah, the default one. Okay. Join. Yeah, mismatch again. So those make sense. Okay. Players slash this. Man, I can't believe it. I haven't gone to the gym yet. I'm going right now. Okay. Well, be careful, please. Don't injure yourself if you're physically tired when you go to the gym. Maybe I'm speaking like a parent here, but you know, injuries can arrive in those moments. You know, your body's more tired and you keep pushing. So listen to your body very carefully. Then don't go, man. Just do body weight at home. Just do that at home. Well, no. Skip this one so that you don't skip the following one due to injuries. Please. Don't panic. You've got a new job. That's great. And, you know, chill. Okay, we have a mismatch. No. Don't joke with this. We can joke with code, but don't joke with injuring yourself. Not good. Not good. Bad ALS. Bad. Okay, Strands, we're in trouble here. It's not working. I'm trying everything. All right. We won't worry. Ooh, that looks good. Well, it looks good. Okay. Cheers. Yes. It worked. Yes. Yeah, there's a channel points for that. There's pick one. Hey, Mr. Sunshine, right on time. How's it going? There's another one. Maybe I should find the Hue one if it's available in blurs, but there is this one. Well, it's teamwork. It's thanks mostly to Strands more than my own code, really. Mr. Sunshine, you have news. Okay, tell us. All right, I'm gonna go, bro. Take it easy. Sorry I couldn't join. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Have a nice session at the gym. We can talk on Discord after the stream and see you on Monday. Maybe you can join Monday so that we play the game through a Twitch integration. Let's do that. See you, man. Take care. Mr. Sunshine, I'll be right back. I'll just get some more water and you can tell us all about your news. Ooh, I'm back. I cannot confirm nor deny that we might have a second GDE on the island. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me read the last messages from LS Journey, and then I can get back to you. Because this sounds big. I think I know what it is. We're gonna celebrate that. Sure, I'm gonna go. Okay. Ivan. All right. All right. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah. So, Mr. Sunshine, I guess you're officially a Google developer expert. That requires at least this one and this one. Well done, man. Yeah. View all experts. Are you listed on the site yet? Can we brag about it openly now? Google, your website is slow. Wait, not confirmed. Okay, okay, okay. So not on the site, not on the site. I'll plug my laptop in so it stays on. Thank you, man. That's really nice. That's a nice hack. Thanks. Are we jinxing it? No, it's just like not official. It's going to be officialized, I guess, from what I understand. Yeah. Sandeep, what have you done to their website? Do not what? What will be the DNS? DNS contract? I don't get, you know, when I don't know a topic, I'm just generally dumb. So non-domain agreement, what? Non-domain agreement, that I know. Non-disclosure agreement. So you have an NDA when you're a Google developer expert. Okay, that's okay. So there are secrets from Google that you can't disclose. All right, all right. But yeah, soon we'll have this there. Sorry, I can't tell you. Sorry, why? Sign an NDA. Yeah. Yes. If they tell me about the aliens, I can't tell you. Well, you know, you can flash us and we'll forget about it. I guess you can't tell us on stream. Something like this. Yeah. But yeah, man. It's about time someone streams. Like, someone is a developer, Google developer expert now, so yeah. Congratulations, man. That's amazing. Well deserved, right? Yeah, amazing. And you'll be giving a talk probably at the Google Dev Fest. When is that, by the way? When is the next Google Dev Fest? I forgot. Dev Fest. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad to have everyone on Twitch. We can have a culture so we can connect even outside meetups. Second of October. Still have no clue what I could talk about. Yeah. Still need to check with the getting ice cream. All right, all right. What was I gonna tell you about DevFest? Yeah, when you're back, Mr. Sunshine, I'm gonna tell that again. But I'm thinking of opening the floor to future speakers, DevFest, DevCon, meetups, etc. Opening the floor on this channel so that you guys can practice before the event. Maybe on the channel, obviously it won't be in person, but we'll try to make it as close as possible. So you have the floor, we don't interrupt you, I shut down alerts, all of that, you know. Make a fancy thing using Palm. Maybe. But I mean, when you're a Google developer expert, you need to, how can I say? Maybe not just hack around on something new, but really focus on bringing your expertise, if I may say. Or, well, I don't know. Well, then if it's a Google tech, then you need to put even more effort into it than just, hey, I'm discovering this and I'm sharing it with you at a meetup. It's more like, yeah, this was something new, but I spent hours on it to come up with something comprehensive. Something like this. I don't know. But yeah, man, that's great. Expertise. Okay. Let's go again. Make a fancy thing using Palm on Angular. Ah, no. No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh, if you have access to the... If you have access to the Google's IDE that's coming up, maybe you can do that. It would be nice if I could rename that alert to one for React or one for Angular. No, I'm kidding. Back. Yeah, Mr. Sunshine, I was saying that I'm thinking of opening the floor to future speakers. So if you're speaking at a coming event, DevFest, DevCon, meetups, you know, you can come here and practice. I'll shut down alerts. You'll have the floor. I'll just be managing the chat, but you'll have the floor to give your presentation, share your screen, all of that. Would that be something interesting to you? But the thing is, you prepare everything last minute. So generally those events are on Saturdays, so you'd have to be ready for Thursday night. I don't know if that would break your process a bit. I don't know. The floor is lava. I actually saw a video where they had like a studio with LEDs on the floor and it would change and they would play Floor is Lava there. A bit, but it could be great practice. Yeah. So, you know, you tell us how much time you have for the event. We set that as a soft limit here on the channel, but if, for example, you have a live demo, something breaks, you can like take notes, things like these, right? And yeah, so even for the next meetup, you know, Strands, since you're a speaker, by the way, quick detour, frontend.mu. Still thinking on what to build for my prize as demo. I don't know, man. Start a little game or something. 21 by 9 screen. Whoa, that's great. So, you know, we can contact Jane as well. It's around 5 meter wide. That's big. So maybe we can have a session on... So it's next weekend. So we could have a session on the 20th and on the 21st. Right. 5 meter wide. Perfect to showcase Mini Ninja for full glory. You mean on a 1-to-1 scale? But yes, Trans, you can pick your date first. 21st or 20th for you to speak on the channel. 20th. All right, good. So next Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, next Wednesday, you're up. So it's totally up to you, I guess. Well, Mr. Sunshine, I think it's around 20-30 minutes, the soft limit for front-end coders generally. So we'll have you at 30 max. Yep, okay, yeah. It's good. Okay, we have 20 attendees. Well, 20 registration. That's great. We don't have the second speaker yet. That'd be great to have it. Well, this morning it was 1 registration. No, wasn't it 2? Didn't I register yesterday? I think I registered yesterday. Who kicks me out if I exceed the limit on the channel? I don't know, I would kick you out of the Discord call or something and add you back. Hey, Lyndon, how's it going? You were second? Yeah. I saw you alone there and I was like, hey, well, I needed to register anyways. And then I was like, hey, yeah, I'm second. That's cool. Lyndon, how's it going? Are you coming to Mauritius to attend the meetup? Took a nap after work, woke up 4 hours later at 9 p.m. Well, that's a nice nap. So what are you going to do tonight when you're not sleeping? That's a real question. So we had great news here on the channel today. Wait, or was it before Mr. Sunshine news? I think we have a great news with ALS. But anyways, yeah, ALS is starting his new job soon. He resigned and everything went all right. Strands, I'm correct on that, right? Watch SpongeBob, best choice you can do. Yeah, well, or Rick and Morty, I've heard is good as well. Yeah. And then we have Mr. Sunshine, who, yeah, ALS took a remote job, so he's been accepted and he resigned from the... Yes, because the place he was at was kind of a tough spot. So basically he would be doing AI, learning on the spot and having almost everything on his shoulders. And it's zero remote, nothing. He had to be on the spot, etc, etc. So he got a remote job, not the most fun one, but it's a remote job and it's much better for him since he's studying. And well, just remote is just like more suited for many developers that I know, right? So yeah, he's got a job that suits him better. So yeah, that's great. And yeah, he was just on the channel. Did you actually meet him on the channel? I don't know, but yeah, that's super cool. So I'm really happy for him. And yeah. And then we have Mr. Sunshine. Lyndon, we have a Google developer expert in the chat. I'm bragging right now. Not official yet, but in the process. So once you're on the website, Mr. Sunshine, just let us know. I'll brag again about it. That's really cool. Hey, so Front-End Coders has its first Google Developer Expert, and it's one of the main organizers. Yeah. So are you going to mention that? I hope you mention that, Mr. Sunshine, at the meetup opening. That'd be super inspiring to a lot of people. And I know you already have to come on the channel for other news, But maybe we can have a longer session with you, so you can tell us about this other news that's coming. I don't know if it's this month or maybe next month. And yeah, probably next month, but you can announce it earlier. And you can also talk about, you know, you being a GDE, what was the process, etc., etc. Because now I think I'm mature enough to apply again. Long story short, years ago, I joined the Google Developer Expert Apprenticeship program, but work was crazy. I was at this newly created company, so work was crazy there, and I was struggling with my self-confidence with regards to code and life in general. It was super overwhelming, and at some point I had to drop out. I had this apprenticeship and I had super crazy work where I was taking all of the tech responsibility. I was too young for that. And well, yeah, I had to drop out. But I don't know, maybe not going through the apprenticeship, but going through the application to apply to become a GD. Well, I have to see if that's something for me anyways, but if it is something that could be interesting to me, then it would be nice to know about the process and all of that. But yeah, soon on the channel, this month or next month. Yeah. I think you'd be a great candidate. I can recommend some people. You're among the top. Oh yeah, thanks a lot. But we need to know, like, you know, how much time and effort this requires, this and that. And I think maybe my profile now might be more suited since I'm on Twitch, I'm building things, I have different apps. Might make more sense for them as well. But yeah, thanks, man. Let's talk again, and then you'll see. But let's have you on their website first. That'd be great. Okay. Back to the code for a few minutes, and then we'll raid someone. Yep, it will all count, especially Twitch content. Yeah, that's great. That's great. All right, let me refresh and see if that works. So it's not super obvious. Let me make it a little bit obvious. Not that I'll make it pretty, but just more obvious. PY2 around dead box like this. No, that's ugly. Well, yeah. Expand. Your Twitch username. Well, yeah. Plus font size XOG. Still ugly, but yeah. EM like this. Maybe I should put this down there. Would make more sense. Yep. And the rounded as well. Okay, well, yeah. Fold. Looking better. and the join code as well. When it's pre-filled, I can just have it as a label or something. But yeah, basically what we did today, Mr. Sunshine, is that now players can just log in through Twitch and will be using their username directly. That opens the door to me having sort of an identifier for players. I can track their score. And the plan from yesterday, where is my Notion? What I did yesterday was plan the channel's content. So yeah, let's go to the Excalibur. So I'm using big words there, but the ambition could be long term. But yeah, so on Mondays, I'm planning to have what's going on here, Excalibur, what's going on? Stop it. Why? Okay, it stopped. So I'm thinking of something like a game that requires preparation. That would be once a month. I would need people to register, make sure they show up. I need like 4 players. I need to know some of the themes they're at ease with so that I can actually prepare the questions, or even if I generate them, I need to curate them more than what I would do on the other games. So that's once a month, maybe. But 3 times a month on Mondays, we'll have the classic, the game night, with either Au Plus Proche and or Le Pop Quiz, right? And this you will definitely need to use your Twitch account to register. Points will accumulate over the 3 sessions. So if you're there at the 3 sessions and you score enough points, then you'll have that as a max. But you could win first episode and not be there at the second or the third, and you will still need more points, right? You still might not win the trophy or something. So I'm thinking of some score tracking based on your Twitch username, basically. And well, thanks to Strands convincing me to use Supabase for the authentication, I managed to do that and finish that on stream, because the registration through libraries, the auth through libraries for Twitch, not great. Doing it from scratch with just the URLs, I was about to do that, but then I was convinced by this diagram that Strands explained, that in the future I can have, well, basically I think you know that diagram better than I do, Mr. Sunshine, but basically I can have my front end of a user, and then the Supabase client on the front end can talk to a Supabase Edge function, which provides the auth, and that Supabase Edge function sends all of the info required to my Node app, where I need to do some work, maybe with some other APIs or whatever. And then my Node app can send an auth request to my Supabase instance, because on Supabase you have row level security, so you need to be authorized to modify certain rows in certain tables there. It's just that whatever you were struggling with was painful. Yeah. I was like, hey, it's fine if we struggle. Yeah. It's not super intuitive, and there's a big dependency on the edge function there. But it's going to be for Twitch. For the local, you know, the concept with the box playing everything locally, of course we won't have access to this. Of course. I might have something completely different if we want people to join again, but yeah, that's another debate. But yeah, we've successfully done that. It's ugly and it breaks everything, but yeah, it's there. The Frankenstein is there. So you know what we can do is me committing this, configuring the env on Netlify, and then we can play a quick game and you guys join with Twitch. Let's try that and we'll close the session there. So I did this well, I won't check. Yeah, super base, horrible code. Oh, it's on a branch. Oh, I need to do like that. Okay. Work in progress. With which? Oops. Undo last commit. Push. Publish branch. I need to merge it. It's gonna take a second. GitHub. Game night. Bezos off. Well, that's, I think that's the with your Twitch Prime. I think something like this. Sponsor me, Bezos. Yeah, take me to the moon or something. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to merge it, but I'm not going to delete it. Merge, but don't delete hashtags. Okay. Bezos. Which chat? Well, I can't type anymore. Chain. Something like this. Hey, nonlinear Abby. Okay. Abby, is that you? No. Abby. How do you annoy a web developer? You make a username that's impossible to read? Or you try to make some kind of cross-site scripting tag or something? But which is not one because there's no script tag. That is extremely annoying. What is, by the way? Did I miss a message or something? Oh, wait. See, I need to end the stream. Soon. Very soon. I didn't see that right away. Okay? It happens. Is that in my code as well? No, I think I read HTML like an HTML parser. Like, it could break, but I still render it. It's still fine to me. The structure could be completely broken. It's not valid XML. I don't care. It's fine. Strands, it's late. Come on, be nice. Strands, you have a lot of channel points, I think. Okay, it's been merged. There. So we'll play. Yeah. We'll play, we'll test that. If it crashes, I'll fix it off stream, obviously. But if it works, great. I can just improve on the visuals and the user experience. We already have a base. That'd be great. Oh, that was the first pull request on the project. Yeah. Because I'm alone and I ship very small stuff, generally. Is it not done? Okay, like ignite. If I play. And it's broken. Yes, makes sense. Not domain. Site configuration. And pause. Let me do that off stream. Yep. So you guys can talk. Give me like 3 minutes. Whoops, no. Yeah, give me 3 minutes. I'm going to add these and okay, will it override everything? No, I don't want to do that one by one. This create, and then I redeploy. It should work. Site review, deploy, trigger. Let's get cache. Yeah, let's clear the cache and redeploy. All right. So we're deploying again. Wasn't that bad since the super base, but obviously. So, still building. Deploys, yeah, it's building. Anytime now. Uploading. Go published. All right. Okay, my super beautiful UI. What? Okay. More config. Sadly. So strands. Enter strands now. Where is the super base instance first? Did I close it? I think I closed it. Yeah. Anyways, let's reopen that. What? What did I miss? No, I missed something. So here, the configuration goes back to localhost. So we need to fix that. Yeah. So well, I guess I can add the game night there because Rod would have priority. But yeah, here. Player. Or I just do that. Or it's just that. Redirect URL thing. Like this. Well, I can try anyways. Yeah, that worked. I guess we're good. Thanks. So, let's create a game. Google developer experts. 5 questions. Off screen, of course, because you know. Oh, Mr. Sunshine, I don't know if you know, but we use GPT-4 now to generate the questions. It might take a little bit more time, like 10 more seconds, but should be good. Those questions are either going to be weird or unnecessarily difficult. I mean, it's all right. I think it's much better than what it would have been with GPT-3, to be honest. We'll see. All right, the link for you guys. Please click join with Twitch. And not like copy the exact username that you have there, but manually input it, right? So I'll open the public view. And I can move that one down because we have the chat integration there. Amazing. Let me know if there's a bug or something, but it should be good. Wait, does the prefill link work? Seems to be working. I think there might be an error. Okay. We have failed to retrieve the knight. Oh, okay. Prompted me to join an existing knight. Yeah, okay. So I haven't tested the joining, obviously, so I need to update. I think I need to update the username because it did not send any usernames there. I guess that should be it. Yeah, that would be the previous game, right? Okay, join. Yeah, the name was null, so probably that caused an issue. All right, let's fix it. Remember to test things, right? Let's hack it again. If okay, not this, but next here we can overwrite it here. That's going to be fine, totally fine. Const use name value username. No. Well, let's just call that username else name. Yeah, like this. This. Voila. Let's not test it. Oh, I have to merge it again. Well, yeah, okay. Which name? Few minutes. What? Yep. Oops. Oh, come on. Trent's still sad about not winning that previous game on Monday. Commit behind. Okay. How do I create? Didn't. Oh yeah, you won one, but you didn't won the official match. You didn't want that. You didn't want the game night event with the pub quiz. My brain is not working now, so pull request. New pull request. Yeah. Well, she was trying hard. And you know, it was around 100 points difference in the end. So yeah, definitely the best match. This is like super slow compared to the usual process. Oh, we're already tomorrow. Then you have the no meetings Friday tomorrow, right? Netlify. Did I close it? No, I didn't close it. Oh, it was there all the time. Okay. Focus Friday, yeah. I just can't remember the name, but yeah, Focus Friday. And Mr. Sunshine, are you going to tell your colleagues soon about being a GD? Or is like half the staff there a GDE at your company? Feel like I'm the newbest of all. Yeah. Imagine that, Mr. Sunshine being the newbest of all. Like, this company has like impressive developers. Okay, now it works. Okay, this loading was ugly, but it worked. So I'm going to remove my own player, and you can try the link again now. Back. If that doesn't work, then, you know, we'll just do a quick game and call it a day or a night. I don't know. We have strands. Okay, let me close that one and open this. Yeah, it worked. Of course, you doubted me. I doubted a little, but yeah. Are you doubting me, man? You know, it eventually works. Like, maybe it can take months, but it eventually works. Yeah. Do we have anyone else? I think I can start. The other viewers would be lurkers. I mean, yeah. Maybe weeks sometimes, you know, with the platform, me fixing it and trying it on stream again. But yeah. Okay, let's start. The rest should work smoothly. Let's see. I'm pinging and it's all good. So let's start. And maybe I should increase the length, the max length at this point, because I don't know the max length of Twitch usernames. Strange, would you have an idea? Or Mr. Sunshine? Oh no, it didn't pick up the... Ah, that's bad. Let me try to go back, refresh. Short names. Okay. Okay, public screen moved this time. Zoom. 25. Wow, that's huge. Okay. Well, define short. Anyways. First question coming up. Okay, didn't pick up again. What is the Google Developer Expert program? Son, is it working on your end? Oh yeah, you answered. Okay, cool. I guess the WebSockets are not stable at the moment. Anyways, next question. What is a requirement to become a Google Developer Expert? Yeah, I didn't know I had to click submit, but the button shook. Yeah, thanks. It's actually from user feedback, where from family, some of the players consistently didn't click the submit button. So, shaky. So the expert has taken the lead. Can strands catch up? What is one benefit of being a Google Developer Expert? You can brag at work, you can brag online, and yeah, invitations to Google events. That's right. And son, I want to improve on the animation whenever I have some time on the shake animation. What is one area of expertise for Google developer experts? Google Ads. I don't know, Google Drive, Google Search, all of the above. Just checking, Mr. Sunshine, did you really not answer, or was there an issue on your end? Before I move on to the next question. Okay, okay. And I should make that different, maybe a different color. It's just not different enough. And then the... Well, let's not check that. Yeah. Final question for tonight. How can one apply to become a Google developer expert? A Google form, by sending an email to Google, through a nomination process, attending a Google event. All right. Whoa, we have Mr. Strands, who has won. So the current score is this one, and that was the last game. So we can go and fix that one. Yeah, Mr. Strands won with 20 points. Well done. No tiara for you, but yeah, some claps for I am Strands. Well done. Okay, wait, we don't see me when I clap. Well, we see it on camera. It's enough. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're good. We're good. Okay. Well, no, yeah, I should print screen that. This is the first game with Twitch. I'll put that on the Discord. There. Where is the channel? The game night. There. There's a screenshot of the first game night session with which both. Wait, why is it? No, it's not. It's not the right. It's not. Oh yeah, it is. But how did it? Wait, did I screenshot? What? Whatever. My brain is almost off. I can see that. All right. Let me close it. Close that. I come back to it tomorrow. What? Okay, everything is breaking, I guess. Oops, why did I close? Close this. It's all of it. Okay, we're back. Main layout maybe would be better. Subscribe now. Just hit me. It's a Jeff Bezos. Let's see. Hey, that one doesn't exist yet, apparently. Nice one, son. It's Jeff Bezos. Son, you should work on that. I just called it, you know. For... Wait. You should write Bezos.js and present it at the Google Dev Fest. How about that? After you sign the contract and everything, maybe, I guess. So it create a GSlib for that just to get bought or sued by AWS. So I want to make a wrapper around Twitch login and call it that. Yeah, I've looked for wrappers and we don't have them. Like we don't have like the ones I was looking for. So maybe we could create one. We just have Supabase wrapped around Bezoff. Bezoff? How would we pronounce that precisely? Bezoff. Bezoff. Bezoff.jeff for login or something like that. Bezoff. Do you want some Bezoff.js? I mean, alright. Okay. It's time to raid someone, so I'll kill the music. Twitch browse. Put you back to simple. And we'll browse. This one. I wouldn't recommend it. Strands. I wouldn't recommend it. So let's find someone with a low view count because we want to build a community. Does Solidity sounds good? Well, we can still look for others.
Yeah, let's do something.
Svelte app.
All things.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Solidity would be. Yeah. I don't know if you're interested in that. I don't mind.
So what if I say?
I think we've already rated. Yeah, that's more for AI than me. Okay.
Set idle sprite.
Unreal, no. Ubuntu, no. Swift UI.
But now it's gone.
Not AI. As. Oh. More. Okay. My bad. Yeah. Those.
Doesn't make sense.
Sans serif fonts sometimes. Yeah.
But it is working.
Do we want to rate someone with 0 views? Could be. That could shock them. Do you want to try that, friends? Let me do find 0. No, it doesn't work. 0.
It's just gone.
Does it work?
If not visible
They're not
equals
there anymore. They got viewers. Oh, it doesn't search in this thing. Okay. Yeah, never mind. Oh yeah, it does. Could help them out. So which one now? This one.
What about a test transfer level?
Do we have others? So 0.
Add a moving platform dummy.
1, 2, 3.
Oops.
Okay, this one was the first one. Let's rate them. Okay, we're rating. Oh, I also need an end screen and scene for my OBS, but maybe over the weekend I'll work on that. But let's raid now. Thank you everyone for joining. Special thanks to you, Strands. It's been great help from you, and see you on the other side. Let's raid. Let's go. Yes, it worked.